How you doing today, guys? Today I'm going to go over how to unbox and assemble the DeWalt string trimmer. It's a 20 volt max model. It's something I wanted to get for the house for a while, and today I was actually going to pull a trigger on it. I'm going to go over how to take it out of the package, what the package includes, and how to assemble it so you guys can use it to at your house. Before I get started, I'd first like to ask for everyone to like the video and subscribe to my channel. I have a lot of great videos like this that are encompass how to do everything DIY in your house, and I think it's something you'll probably like a lot. With that being said, let's get started.
I'm going to start by unpacking the contents of the box. As you can see, here you have an Allen wrench, you have the shroud at the bottom, an instruction manual, the handle to control it, and then the trimmer you just unfold like so. It's an overview of everything you should get in your package. The cutting head comes with a full reel of cutting wire. As you saw when I was unboxing this tool, there's an elbow in the center of it for packaging purposes. With that out of the box and fully assembled, we're just going to use the supplied Allen wrench and tighten down everything nice and snug, so the joint doesn't come undone when using the trimmer. We're going to put the protective shroud on the bottom of the trimmer. It's held in place by two Phillips head screws that are just hand tightened. If you take a look at the cutting head, you can see that it's wrapped in tape. All you have to do is remove the tape and the cutting strengthens freely. With the lower portion of the trimmer assembled, we're now going to move on to the top handle. All we have to do is simply use this supplied Allen wrench to remove the 4 bolts that secure the locking shroud to the main body. You can see the locking shroud removed on the lower right hand portion of this image. We're just going to put the handle on at a comfortable length and set the shroud on the bottom, and then secure it in place with the 4 supplied bolts using the Allen wrench.
Well, I hope you enjoyed today's video about how to unbox and assemble this DeWalt trimmer. Feel free to let me know in the comments below what you guys thought about assembling yours, or what you thought about this video. I'd love to hear what you guys have to say. With that being said, have a great day, and feel free to like and subscribe to this video. I'll see you soon.